of the MeetingPulse integration with PowerPoint. So I've created here 2 slides with 2 different polls that are going to update live when I present the PowerPoint. And over here, I have an example of the attendee view. This is something that attendees might see on their mobile device, or if it's a virtual event, it could be embedded in the website next to the live stream of the workshop or training that they are watching. Now I'm going to go ahead and play my presentation, start from the start. When I advance the slide, here is my live slide, and as you can see here in the attendee view, the poll has been launched to the attendee device. I can provide the response, and here's the PowerPoint screen updating live. If I move this forward to next slide here, you can see the next poll has been launched on the PowerPoint, and we can go ahead and submit the response here as well. You can see this being added into the